Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these air fryer cheesy baked eggs. Hello, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. I'm just like the biggest fan of an air fryer. You probably found my page from my big air fryer video, but I love to do air fryer recipes like this that are so easy. This would be perfect for breakfast for 2 people, because it makes 2 servings. So we've got 4 eggs here, and I've got 2 ramekins. Each ramekin is gonna get 2 eggs. And these are I think these are 8-ounce ramekins. We've already sprayed the insides with cooking spray. So I'm going to crack 2 eggs into each of these ramekins. Now you could leave the eggs whole like this. This was my intention. This is how I made them originally, but you can also beat them like scrambled eggs. So that's what I'm going to do for this video. It doesn't have to be completely combined scrambled. Just gonna do a quick mix. Okay, we're gonna season each one with some salt and pepper. Stir that up so the salt gets evenly distributed. And I've got 2 ounces of chopped smoked Gouda here. You could use whatever cheese you want. I really like smoked Gouda. So I'm gonna put half of this into each one. These are gonna be so cheesy and delicious. Okay, finally, I'm going to top these with some everything bagel seasoning. You can use as much or as little as you like, or you can leave it off, whatever you prefer. Okay, these are ready to go in our air fryer basket. We can just put them straight in there. And I'm gonna bake these in the air fryer at 400 for about 15-16 minutes. That's it. Okay, our air fryer baked eggs, cheesy baked eggs, are out of the oven, out of the air fryer, and they look so good. Let's cut into one. Ooh, they're so cheesy. Time for a bite. But this is just such a quick way to make some eggs in the morning when you don't want to have to stand at the stove, and you just put them in the air fryer and you're ready to go. So good. You're gonna love this recipe. Be sure you check out these keto no-bake cookies. They are so good. They're made with almond butter, or you could make them with peanut butter, whatever you like. But be sure you check out these recipes, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.